In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your source branch on Vercel. So once you're on your main Vercel dashboard, go to the top right corner and click on the dashboard icon. From here, select the project you want to update. For example, I'll choose this one. Click on the three dots next to your project name and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the Environments section on the left side. Then click on Production. Here, you'll see a section called Branch Tracking. This is the branch that Vercel automatically deploys whenever you push new code to your connected Git repository. By default, this is usually set to main, but you can change it to any branch you want. For example, if you have a development branch where you test new updates before pushing them live, you can type development here. Once you've entered the branch name, click Save. After saving, Vercel will automatically deploy from that new branch instead of the main one. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can change your source branch on Vercel and control which branch gets deployed automatically. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Vercel and web deployment tutorials.